To fix microwave buttons that aren't working, it's essential to understand the possible causes of the issue. The problem may be due to a faulty control panel, a defective membrane switch, or a faulty main control board. To resolve this, start by replacing the control panel. Disconnect the microwave from the power source. Remove the front grille, and take out the microwave cabinet to access the control panel. Ensure the capacitor is fully discharged before proceeding. Then, remove the front control panel. Peel off the touchpad membrane, and replace it with a new one. Reattach the control panel. Reattach the wires, and put the microwave cabinet and grill back in place. Plug in the microwave and test the buttons. If they still don't work, check the membrane switch by unplugging the microwave, removing the cabinet, and using a multimeter to test for continuity. If the test shows no continuity, replace the membrane switch with a new one and plug everything back in. If the issue persists, replace the main control board. Disconnect the microwave from the power source. Remove the cabinet, and install a new control board. Reassemble the microwave and test the buttons again. If the problem continues, it may be necessary to seek further assistance from a professional. By following these steps, you should be able to fix microwave buttons that aren't working.